Chapter 3. A Strange Secret. It was midnight, the night was very dark, but I walked and walked. I was very tired when I saw the lights of a town. I found some petrol and then I asked the name of the village, but the man at the garage gave me a strange look. "What village?" he asked. I told him about the village. I told him about the old houses and the people with strange clothes. Again he gave me a strange look. He thought and then he said, "There was a village there, but it isn't there now. There are stories about it, strange stories." "What do people say about it?" I asked. He didn't want to tell me, but then he said, "There was a big fire in the village. Everybody died. There aren't any people or houses there now." "How did it happen?" I asked. "And why?" "Oliver Cromwell killed them," he said. "He was very angry with the villagers because they helped the king in the war." I couldn't speak. "This isn't right." I thought that war happened 350 years ago. Then I remembered the strange clothes, the long hair, the food at the fire, and the old houses. And I remembered too about the horses. "But I don't understand," I cried. I saw the people at the village. I spoke to some people there. The man looked quickly at me and then he spoke. "There is an interesting story about the village. For one day every 10 years it lives again. But only for one day. Then it goes away again for another 10 years. On that one day you can find the village, but you have to leave before morning or you will never leave. Can this be right?" I thought. Perhaps it was. Mary said, "You have to go." She loved me, but she said, "We have to say goodbye." She was afraid for me. Now I understand, I thought. I went back to the village, but it wasn't there. I looked again, but I couldn't find it. I saw only flowers and trees. I heard only the sound of the birds and the wind. I was very sad. I sat down on the ground and cried. I will never forget that day. I remember Mary and I will always love her. Now I only have to wait 2 months. The village will conic back again. On the right day I will go back. I will find her again, my love with the long black hair. And this time I will not leave before morning. I will stay with her. So friends, if you find value in this video, please do like, share and subscribe so that I can create more videos like this for you all. Thanks for watching. Keep learning.